Alright, all my gnarly ones. Check out this gnar. We got a little critter. He must have been waking up or something, hungry. I didn't notice the first time. But it's like it's den or something up here. I think it's coming up. It's got his little paw tracks all over the hedgerows and stuff in here. It's pretty cool. I've had a porcupine out eating bark all year. I don't know if I've seen him in a minute. But let's see, where's the den? Maybe a little further up here. Who doesn't like a good chair ride, right? Where am I at today? I think it's like day 55. 2024, 25 action going on here. That's with being down. Her shoulder, totally not gnarly. I didn't pass it already. I think it's up here. Bro's been active though. Oh yeah, when we come up over here, must have been trying to find something in the snow. And then the burrow's a little further up from there. Yeah, I think I'm in day like 55 or something, so you know, still pretty decent numbers. Feeling good today, getting some shreddy runs in today. Doing some wheelies. Something going on there, you know. Bro's been all up and down this side of this hill. You can see he gets a little bit more active through here. Yeah. Dude was definitely active last night. Can't say I blame him though, it's been cold last couple weeks. Yeah, this is where the burrow comes. Bro went up and shredded the rock. Boop. Oh yeah. Where's it? Right there. Yep, a couple little loop-de-loop in here. And I think the burrow's right here coming up. Who knows, maybe we'll get to see the critter one of these days. Anybody have any idea what I think these tracks might be? Skunk maybe? That's what happens this time of the year though. Critters start waking up. And then we got to worry about, you know, let them do their thing. Shut things down. Doesn't matter if we still got plenty of winter gnar left. We'll see what happens. Time to get off. Gonna go shred it some more. Get my legs back on.